So I'm just here, like, just reminiscing and just thinking about the year and all that. And I just remembered this time last year, I was in Dubai, living my best life. And this year, I'm in Toronto, freezing. But I just remembered I didn't share that vlog with you guys. So you know what? I'm gonna rewind 365 days ago and see that. Okay? Here we go. Morning everyone, Victoria here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today's video is going to be on my vlog to Dubai part 2. This trip is going to be like a girls trip, so obviously my mom isn't coming with me this time. It's just me and my best friends. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. I can't wait, and I hope you guys stay tuned. So right now I've just finished packing all of my stuff, and guys, the worst thing happened to me. So I don't know why, but I decided to lock my suitcase now before I got to the airport, and now the damn key is stuck in the lock. Like, I don't know how to get it out. It doesn't want to come out, and I don't want to break the actual zipper. So, like, I don't know what to do. So, I'm low-key stressed, but at the same time, I don't really want to stress about it because, as you can hear, I have a little bit of a cold. Like, it's getting better now, thank God. It was really, really bad past few days, but I'm getting better, and I'm also going to pick up some cough medication as well. As I'm heading out, but I have to do some returns at hopefully I got a whole bunch of stuff from them, and honestly you guys, like, these companies, they know how to make their things look good online, but when you get them, like, I wanted to do a try on video with this, but like, yo, it was like nipple to the wind, vagina to the wind. Like, nah, it would have been so, no, it was not. None of the stuff I got were cute at all, so I'm just gonna return it and get my money back and keep it pushing. But yeah, anyway, so I have to go and do that, and I think I have to go to Oxford. I'm still in London, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. I'm in London, and I still have to go to Oxford Street to probably pick up some stuff. We'll see how it goes and how time works out, but yeah, that's just what I have to do today. And yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and yeah, subscribe if you aren't already.
First door. Second door, ladies.
Second door. Second door.
Everybody now looked back when I screamed. Oh,
Guys, I'm choking. I'm choking.
you know I don't like blue makeup.
Baby, guys, we're boarding. We're boarding. I'm so excited.
I got people in places with faces that I've never met.
Yeah, you know I don't like this thing, yeah?
What's your accent?
Sorry?
Your accent. What's your accent? What's your accent saying? Wow. You're slapping my YouTube fam. You're slapping my YouTube. Man, the camera that we're going to use to take pictures in Dubai. You want to break it? Because you did your nails, you have to say, oh yeah, let's see now. Let's see the nails.
Vicky is so annoying, guys. Like, she knows I must back out.
This is going on my YouTube. Guys.
I hate videos when I'm tired or when my face isn't big. I should be.
It's okay, it's okay. Guys, look at how cute this plane is. Just move to the next thing,
I'm
because
looking for the guy now.
if I turn back, I'll actually punch you too. So just move. Can't imagine, she took the camera. I slapped the camera on you.
Yeah, I slapped it.
Joining me in the flight deck, see the first of Jamal Mazhar, and looking for your safety and comfort. New team of cabin crew led by Person Mohammed Alihi. and assisted by cabin
Why you
supervisors
do like that?
Zachary.
Oh my god, I can tickle you from here.
Everyone knows the body
For
too.
being very noisy, we're very loud together. So it's quiet and lazy life.
Bye. Alright
We
guys,
are fully ready here at the moment.
fully
Just
ready
waiting
to
for
take
air traffic
off.
control.
Look.
Oh, I live in my mind all the time. So if you feel
Guys, so we just had an emergency landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have to remind all customers to remain seated until we have the medical team on board and to take our customer away. We hope for your cooperation and we do apologize for the inconvenience. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated. Thank you.
Raleigh, making my bed in my mind, giving them head in my mind, going to bed in my mind, making them bread, throwing it back.
Guys, so we are finally here. But yeah, so we're just going to pick up our bags and then we shall head to the hotel. That's the hotel. Guys, we're here. Can you imagine? The reception is on the 30th floor. 30th. That's unusual. But we're
They
here.
have a spa. I can't see spa here.
Need help?
No, it's okay.
Sure.
okay,
Actually,
no
I
worries.
have a question.
Okay.
So, you see this? It's
Yeah.
stuck. Is there a way to get a locksmith to like break it open? Is that possible?
Oh, you want to break it?
Yeah, because I can't like, oh, wow. I can't get it open. I've been trying since like London, it's not opening. It worked. Wow. Magic.
You did actually do it.
He did.
What
I've
did
been
you
trying
do?
for 2 days.
It's fine. I can look.
No, it's
Let's build. Let's figure it out. What is that?
Can I do the showroom for you or everything is cool? It's fine.
The showroom?
Yeah.
What's that mean?
Alright.
Okay, show us. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Vista.
Yes.
What's your name? Huh?
Henry.
Henry. Okay,
Henry.
we'll
Oh,
remember
you're
you.
cute.
Oh, thank you so much.
Where are you from?
Uganda.
Ah.
Nice to meet you, Henry. I'm gonna put you on my YouTube.
Oh my god.
So when people come, they ask for Henry.
I'll cry, yeah? Okay. We have two exit doors, like in case of fire.
Yeah.
You can go straight in the corner. There's a emergency door. And we have another door near the elevators.
Okay.
Okay.
So, but no fire here, so don't worry. I have 3 buttons here. This one for the housekeeping.
Okay.
And this one, like, don't disturb me. No,
Oh,
when you
yeah.
press it, no one will knock your door.
Oh.
Okay.
May don't disturb me. Okay, this one for the lights.
Right.
All the lights in the room.
Yeah.
And when you come over here, we have a iron stand and the iron box.
Okay.
So if you need it, you can just provide it for you.
And okay.
Yeah, so that you can iron it. You
Okay.
need
Perfect.
it?
Nope.
We don't need iron.
Well, not now.
No, if we need it, we'll call.
Yeah, okay, cool. Alright, we have a big closet for you. We will provide for you the more you can take your prayers.
Okay.
And a crown, then safe box for you. You can set your pin
Yeah.
and keep your items there.
Okay.
Okay. And I'll have a shoe shine here.
Okay.
If it's one, maybe if you need more. So you just request.
Okay.
I'll bring more for you.
Perfect.
If you need more hangers, we can also
Yes.
provide for you. And if you want to do laundry, you can just call 0. Our guys, like my colleagues, will come and take your laundry for you.
Do we get another robe?
If you need to.
Yes.
You have to already. You have one here and one there.
Oh, okay.
When you come here, you have an AC system. If you need to maintain your temperature in the room, this is your controller.
Okay.
So you can
Perfect.
use it. Maybe you want hot or cold, it depends. We have this one for the min bar. The light for the min bar.
Oh, okay.
The minibar is extra pay, like extra charges
Yeah.
if you use it, but I think you don't have it. But
Yeah.
if you need it,
We can
just call 0.
Okay.
Okay.
And this is the menu for the minibar.
Okay. Do we have a? Is this a fridge? No.
Yeah, that's your fridge.
So we can put stuff in there.
Anything is your fridge. And you have tea and coffee here. If you need more, please just request.
Okay.
Thank you.
You have a small sofa here for you. Think it's
This is
comfortable.
small sofa.
You will love it. And when you come over here, like you have switches to open them. You just use the controller. Then press it. Open it. So when you open it, you just press up.
Right.
And when you're closing, you just press down.
How is the view? Let's see the view.
Cute. You can see the pool and some sands.
Nice.
You love it at night.
It's nice at night, yeah?
It'll be more lovely.
Okay, I trust you. Oh, and I can see. Can you see the? Is that like the ocean or a lake? I don't know what that is.
Yeah, you have a half canal, half Sheikh Zayed.
Half canal, yeah.
So press the master.
Yeah.
So all lights will go off. In case even the TV is off,
It will go.
you will use this one. You see, this will be blue, even if it's all down. This will be blue, even the other side. Okay, it will give you this night sleeping mode.
Oh.
Like light under the bed.
Okay.
If you need more light, you can as well use this one. You sit anyhow you want.
Yeah.
Yep.
If this is not fine for you, you can as well use this one for the main bath.
Right. And then
So this will be cool.
Okay, perfect.
But I have the romantic one. This is
romantic one.
Oh my gosh.
Romance.
you use the last button on your washroom.
Oh, I like this
Don't
one.
be like
I
Yeah.
like this one.
I love this one.
Yeah, can leave this one on.
Thank you. Okay. We have a small system. We have a small speaker for you.
Okay.
So we provide for you a small speaker. In case you need music, you just use the iPhone. If you don't have iPhone,
Are the rooms soundproof?
not that much, but it's
Like, whenever
Okay, so we can play loud music.
yeah, you can play this. If you use our speaker, you can play loud
you
music.
said if we use
But
the
you have your
speaker.
speakers.
No, we can't play that.
No, you can play, but we can stop you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe some people may complain.
Complain.
But if they don't complain, we can also.
I think we should be fine.
So
Yeah.
everything is fine. Anything I didn't explain, please just call. We shall help you out.
We'll see you around.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Henry.
We'll see you. Thank you.
Bye.
You need the luggage stands?
Yes, please. Can we have it? Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, y'all. So that was the room tour.
So
Thanks,
cute.
guy
Like, it's
Henry.
really the cutest.
I know. I will
I have to find
I want
something
to give him a
while
tip.
leaving,
Yeah.
for sure. Cannot. He's actually my
He's so
friend.
cute.
Like, he went above and beyond.
Yeah, time to unwind, unpack, and get ready for Dubai. Anyways, guys, see y'all soon.